Hi, my name is Ned, and I'm going to be taking you through the complete Financial Analyst course. I have been employed in business and finance for several years now, working with some of the largest firms in the industry. I enjoy teaching and would love to share with you what I've learned while working with companies like PwC and Coca-Cola. This course is the perfect one-stop shop for those of you who would like to pursue a financial analyst career. You will acquire practical skills that will turn you into a highly skillful talent, which will be invaluable for your future career. Get excited, as you've come to the right place at the right time. So, let me walk you through the content of this course. First, we'll learn how to work with Microsoft Excel, the world's #1 productivity software. This part of the course is fundamental for anyone who wants to deal with business and finance in today's age. You need Microsoft Excel in order to elaborate on large quantities of financial data. There is no way around it. Now, I do understand that some of you may have previous experience in Excel and will be interested in advanced topics. However, the course starts from the very basics in order to make the materials accessible to everyone. If you think the first lessons are too basic, feel free to jump ahead and start from a chapter that is more interesting to you. The course glossary attached to this lesson will help you do that. Once we have covered the Excel basics, I will show you a number of Excel best practices that will transform you into an advanced user. At the end of the Excel part of the course, you will be able to format your sheets professionally, navigate quickly and use Excel shortcuts, use formulas like VLOOKUP, index, match, choose, SUMIF, SUMIFs, and more. Create sensitivity tables. Build a profit and loss statement from a raw data extraction. Create Excel charts. Work with pivot tables. Create a dynamic financial report combining get pivot data and slicers. Finally, you will be ready to build your complete 3-statement model from scratch. This is just the first part of the course. Then we will start learning about accounting. We will cover everything that is necessary so that you can feel confident when talking about debits and credits, financial statements, assets, liabilities, and financial ratios. This part of the course will build on your business knowledge and will allow you to understand what's behind a company's financial figures. At first, we will start with the accounting entries of a lemonade stand business, and we'll prepare its P&L and balance sheet entries. Then, I will teach you how to prepare a firm's cash flow statement. Finally, you will have to perform financial statement analyses for 2 of the most exciting companies in the world, P&G and Tesla. In the next part of the course, my colleague, Angela, will walk you through some of the fundamental financial concepts that you will need in order to become a financial analyst. We will touch on a number of interesting topics. The time value of money. How to prepare a loan repayment plan. And how to calculate the present value of future cash flows. Then, you will be ready to start learning about capital budgeting, the modeling technique companies use to make informed investment decisions. Capital budgeting helps firms understand whether an investment is feasible from a financial perspective. We will study the theory behind capital budgeting first, and then we'll gradually build our complete capital budgeting model containing a savings forecast, a fixed asset roll forward schedule, working capital projections, a debt repayment schedule, a P&L sheet, a cash flow sheet. Finally, a sheet where we will discount cash flows and assess project feasibility. You will then be ready to start learning about PowerPoint, Microsoft's presentation software that will allow you to present your work and ideas and leave a lasting impression on your audience, which is the last piece of the puzzle, really. After each of the main sections of the course, we will have a challenge for you. These challenges will require you to complete a certain task with the skills that you have acquired. Each task is a continuation of the previous tasks, and at the end, once you complete all tasks, you will be able to submit your project and receive personal feedback. Sounds great, right? Our idea is to stay close to you throughout the whole learning experience. And yes, I forgot to mention that all students who submit their projects will participate in our Amazon gift card lottery. On top of that, you will get free access to 2 of our other courses: Financial Modeling and Valuation, Build a DCF Model, provided that you complete 50% of the course, and Winning Business and Finance Interviews, the Perfect Guide, provided that you complete 100% of the course. You will even receive a full refund if you are not satisfied with the content of the course within 30 days of completing it. Now, let's see a quick example of a concept that we will learn in this course. Dive straight in and let's begin this journey together.